you don't like it? He's still sleepy, do you? Wow. It's like, this is big. Bigger than what I got.
Yeah.
Drive it, baby.
Come on. What do you think?
Close the door. Push it. More. He knows where the handle, huh? More. Push it. Push.
What do you think, Bryson? You'll be able to handle that? Yeah. Are you scared of it or what? Hit the button on there. You want to get in there, babe, and ride it? You can.
Oh, come on, baby.
Try it out.